Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. Got some more interesting news. I just got an email yesterday about this. Radio J. Allen website. He posted a new review on a new radio, and he does intensive, detailed reviews. So you need to sign up to his reviews. They're awesome. And this one is on the XHDATA D-901 AM/FM shortwave radio with an MP3 player and Bluetooth. There it is. The dial there looks kind of familiar to older radios. Yeah, I don't know. But it does have this other stuff that the vendors are now adding to their radios, the MP3 players and Bluetooth, which means it's a Bluetooth speaker, amplified speaker. And he goes into lots of details about the radio and its specifications. And he's got a warning here. It says the rechargeable lithium-ion battery is connected in parallel to the D-cell contacts. Now I wonder if that crazy radio I've got, if that is the configuration. If I can ever get the lithium battery to drain so that I can find out how to recharge it, I'll answer that question. But anyway, go to his website. He's got pictures. Now there's the lithium battery that's removable. That's interesting. I like that. Mine and that crazy radio, not removable. So then he has a conclusion, which I will not show you. And you can go to this page. Again, this is J Radio's Reviews. I'll put a link to this latest review down in the first comment under this video. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, we're going to get to that 15,000 here pretty soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.